Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the average indicator's position. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the average indicator's position. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 275 indicators, and out of those 275 indicators, 108 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 108 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, as I said, today's indicator is the average indicator's position. So I think we tested one indicator before that was kind of similar to something like this, but it was not this exact indicator. So I figured we would give this one a test also. So basically what this indicator is doing is it is taking multiple different indicators. So y'all like the MACD, RSI, CCI, stochastics, all those, and it is plotting them or gauging when all of them are in an overbought or oversold area at the same time. And so as the colors of the bars, is it bars? I forget what they're called. Not bars, columns. As the color of the columns go from gray to orange to then red, the red indicates that there is a large amount of the indicators all at once in an overbought position. And so we should be looking for a reversal or a short trade. And in reverse, when the green appears, then there are a large number of indicators in the oversold position. We should be looking for a reversal and a long position. Now, what I've done is to actually signal when we should enter short or long, I've added an EMA, and this is just on a 9 period, and I just added it to the indicator's position. So I clicked right here on these little three dots and added it to the indicator's position. I didn't change anything else as far as the input on it, just left it like that. And again, it's on a standard 9 period. I think I will bump up the line weight a little bit on this so it's a little bit easier to see. And so what we are looking for is the indicator's position columns to go either red or green, and then we are looking for a cross of the, let me see if I can bump it up in size here and actually make it black. And I'll change this one to a light gray, so we're not really using that. So this black line right here, when it is in the red position and the black line crosses back down below the blue EMA, that is a signal to go short. When the columns are in the green position and that red line, or the black line crosses up above the blue EMA, that is a signal to go long. And so that's how we will be testing it today. So it gives us the signal of when it's overbought or oversold, and then the cross down below or above is going to be the actual signal to enter the trade. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this indicator. Moving along. All right, so we get the first signal right here. The first red column forms. Then you see the black line here, then comes down and has crossed, let's see, the black line is at 73.26 and it has crossed our 73.82 blue line. So this would be a signal to go short right there. Let's go ahead and play it out and see what happens. Unfortunately, that one gets us stopped out rather quickly. And then we would ignore unless it goes back into the red again. And so it does go into the red over here. Looks like we don't get across until on this candle right there. And that one got us to take profit rather nicely. So moving along now, we have hit green right here for just a moment, and we see right here we get the cross up above with the black line there, and that does not get us to take profit. That one would have been a losing trade. So let's go ahead and continue with it here. We get a red column right there. And did we get across here? Let's see, 69.03. Yep. And so we did pick up a cross and short signal right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play it forward. And that one got us to take profit. All right, moving along here. All right, we are up into the red column zone, and we got a cross right there for a short. Let's go ahead and play it out, and it looks like that one got us to take profit. Let's just measure off these. 116, what is our stop? 150. So yep, we're in good territory there. So that one did get us to take profit as well. So far it's doing all right. And that puts us at the end of the year on that one. All right, so what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 signals all together, and we have 1, 2, and 3. 3 winning trades. And so that is exactly 60%. It's an interesting indicator. Might need to be tweaked a little bit. It doesn't seem like it gives us a lot of signals is kind of the first glaring problem that we kind of run into here. But that's not to say that it can't be useful for something. So for now, at the very least, it's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.